Imagine, instead of a website, you're creating a funnel, which is the perfect salesperson, available 24 hours a day, never asking for a raise, never bitching about the fact the site needs to be redesigned for no reason other than the web designer has to get some money. And then the people passing through this website, your business site, enjoying the experience and buying from you. Isn't that the idea? Wasn't the website supposed to bring in profit and be more profitable than your charges? If you look at your web department and any other department performed as badly, what would you do? What would you do in any normal business? Now, I know what you'd do. You'd probably take out the right tools and leave the fucking pink slip out there for them. The point is, the only way to understand the internet is to change with it. We don't make the changes. It's changing, it's evolving. And the evolution that is making these young bucks that you see trying to sell you, if my targeting's right, on these same videos, standing in front of their Lamborghinis and Maseratis and new money. The only way they ever made it was the common thread. And this is what got my interested in all of this. And this is where I come back to the promise. I found that these guys would do these 2-hour seminars, and then at the end they'd throw out this big old offer stack, or this is what I'm going to give you for your $1,000. I'm going to give you my teaching, I'm going to give you videos, I'm going to give you some special lessons in traffic, I'm going to give you some more special lessons. And at the end you say, wow, I'm getting so much for what I'm paying for. I got to get this ad. Well, that's why I want you to see in this particular marketing strategy, this looks pretty cool. It's like Christmas. It even comes with a famous quote from a famous man. Why do I want you to get this? Because this will change your life and change your business. And what's really cool is you can get it for free. All you have to do is bring someone along with you. You can hash out the ideas together. You can bitch about the concepts and try to understand why you can't figure out the offer. You can argue about content while you're fixing your stack. You can put your offer board up there together, and the person that joins through you gets the full $100. It's just $100. And the funny thing is, all those big dogs that you've seen, Kevin David and Robbie Blanchard and Fred Lamb, and I've listened to them all, and Justin from ClickBank. They're all proposing you to buy their systems for thousands of dollars. But the funny thing is, each of them is using the same platform to host their funnels. And who is this? This is the original prophet of profit. And this is Russell Brunson. And that who created that challenge. And I tell you, I'm taking it and just finishing it. And I never dreamed anyone with that kind of knowledge and power would give it up. He created a $100 million company in 3 years with no venture capitalist funding and no outside source. Just what he generated. Why? Because he knew how to create a funnel. And if you don't know what a funnel is, it's time to learn, because it will change your business and change your life.